Hi everybody, this is Mike with Cactus Crawlers RC, and I'm back again with my SCX24 with the red Betty body. I took it out earlier today, and the one thing that I noticed is that when it's side hilling, it does want to roll over. So I think the stance is stock. So, and these are even wide tires. So I think what I'm going to do now is fix this issue. So we have now the Hot Racing plus 4mm axles for the front and the rear, along with these brass weights in 4mm. So what these weights will do is fit inside of the wheel without being part of the wheel. They're actually going to be floating on the axles themselves. And the width of them, they take the place of these little aluminum spacers. So instead of these aluminum spacers, use the weights. So that's how this is going to work. So let's get started. Okay, so here's our two stub axles for the front. And you can see the difference in those lengths. Alright, there's our widened stub axles in the front. Nice. Let's work on the back. Alright, in the comparison of the stock rear axle to the 4mm widened, there's our difference there. Okay, so when putting in this axle kit, it comes with these really tiny screws that are flathead, and these 4 little washers. Now I would think that the 4 washers, you would put one on each wheel, and then these tiny flathead screws are for the bearing retainers. Okay, installation is done, and the SCX24 now has a wider stance. That's really noticeable too, and it's got brass weights on the end of the wheels, front and rear, so we have a little bit more weight in there. Nice. Let's put the red Betty body on there and see how it looks. come back again soon. See where we take this guy next to try it out. Thanks for watching Cactus Crawlers RC. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Be sure to click the bell, and that way you'll know when I put out a new video, and we will see you all again soon. Cheers.